My people, una well done o. This na Pidgin chemistry with Oga Ben. Na here wey chemistry clear like ice water. Today we don enter lesson 2.1 where we go talk about matter. This na the leg wey chemistry dey use stand. Wetin dem dey call foundation. So make you sit down well, open your ear, make we break am down small small. You fit dey say, Oga Ben, wetin matter dey find for here? Abi na court we dey? No worry, no be that kind matter. Matter na anything wey get weight and occupy space. If the thing dey take space and e get big or small weight, na matter be that. Your slippers o, garri o, or even air wey you dey breathe, all na matter. You fit see matter for three ways. E fit be solid, e fit be liquid, or gas. Dem dey call them states of matter. All of them get their own behavior. Make we dey look them one by one. The first one we go look na solid. Solid na matter wey get fixed shape and fixed volume. E dey strong. E no dey scatter anyhow. Think of stone, chalk, iron spoon. Na solid dem be. The particles wey dey inside solid dey packed gidigba like sardine. The next one na liquid. E no get fixed shape but e get fixed volume. Meaning say e go take the shape of any container wey you put am. Water o, palm oil o, juice o, all na liquid. The particles get small space to slide like people wey dey waka small small for market. The last one na gas. E no get fixed volume, e no get fixed shape. E fit spread enter anywhere. You see smoke, oxygen, cooking gas, all of them na gas. The particles dey run around freely like children wey just close from school. Matter fit change from one state enter another state, like solid fit melt become liquid. Liquid fit evaporate become gas. Gas fit condense become liquid. Liquid fit turn to solid again. Na so matter dey waka from one state enter another one. Oya, look your screen, make we do small exercise. Tell me the one wey be solid, liquid or gas. Oya na carry go. Na here we go close school today. If wetin we learn today enter your head well and e clear, just type a clear for comment section. For our next class, we go look the kind change dem wey matter dey go through, physical and chemical changes wey dey happen inside matter. No worry, e go clear like ice water. No forget to follow us everywhere we go, whether for Facebook o, TikTok o, YouTube. We dey there. Just go follow us at Pidgin Chemistry with Oga Ben. Make we see again for next class. Oya, bye.